Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the AVON A-boxes. Alright, so these boxes are a little bit tricky, so I'm going to go ahead and disassemble them now. So what you need to do is just try and get under one of the flaps here and pop it out like that. And then what will happen is you'll have 3 different sides. This one is the last one, I'll show you that. And there's your disassembled A-box top. And it's going to be the same thing with the other one. Alright, so this is how you assemble your AVON A-box. First, what you'll need to do is kind of fold all of these corners, and this is the bottom. So what you'll need to do is fold these corners in, and you'll notice on each side there's going to be a flap that looks like this and a flap that looks like this. These go down first, and these go down over it. So what you'll need to do is on this side, you'll start by folding this in, and this part right here will fold under this flap here. So what you'll do is you'll fold it like that, fold it there, and then this part is perforated a little bit, so it folds down. And then you'll do that with the other sides. But with the other corner, you'll need to make sure that you tuck it under that flap. Fold it like so. And then you'll need to do the same one on this last corner here. And here is the flat edge instead of the curved edge here. So you'll fold that under here and tuck it in. So now what you'll need to do is go back up to the bottom and fold it down there so that both of these corners show. And what you can start doing now is you'll tuck that down and make sure that all of these are flat. So you'll fold that down and tuck it in so that that's flat. You'll make sure that this one is tucked in and this is flat once you get this one tucked in. So that is how to fold the bottom part, and it's fairly similar for the top part as well. So what you'll need to do, remember this is the first one that you want to fold. So you'll take that here. This has got the flat part instead of this curved part. So you'll tuck that under there and kind of press down on it. And then you'll go over here, make sure you get this corner piece under this flap and kind of tuck it down in there. And the last one, remember, flat, curved. We'll tuck that under there. And now that you've got it to this point, fold down the bottom. Make sure you tuck in your corners. Go up to here, tuck in that corner. Make sure that this part's flat. Go up to here, tuck in that corner. And make sure that that's flat. And there you've got your top part. And so that's how to fold up both of the boxes. Just make sure that you get all of those flat, kind of melded towards the edges of the box, and then you just put them together like so. And now you can stuff all your products in there, or you can also use this as a display box just if you have any kind of events or anything. And that's how you assemble and disassemble an AVON A-Box. They're a bit difficult at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be folding these boxes up in no time.